Hey guys, welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are taking a quick look at Kandi. Yesterday I made a video on Kandi Technologies. On Robinhood, everything looked good, everything looked fine. Today it opened up amazingly great in the pre-market, as much as 85%. Honestly, when I saw that, I was kicking myself in the butt, slapping my face, going Kpsh. That's me hitting my face. Do you guys hear that sound? Yeah, I'm hitting my face because I was like, this always happens to me. I was able to buy it almost for $9, and it opened at as much as 60% high. And even here, I could have sold it. The funny thing is, when I was taking a look at it, it short-circuited. Too many sellers, too much volume, too many sellers at the same time. It declined the 15% to trigger the short circuit super fast. So that would have been a warning sign for me if I would have been an investor and I bought it at $9 or anything before the other day. Sell, something's gonna go on. And it certainly did. Kandi crushed everybody who purchased anything over $10, because currently it's $8.86. So if you purchase at 10, you'd be down around 12%. If you purchase at 11, you'd be down 20%. If you purchase, unfortunately, anywhere between 12 to 15, even as much as 16, those are some big losses. And that's exactly what I predicted in my video yesterday. I just did not know it was gonna happen that fast. I said like 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. It went all the way up to 19. I was so surprised. I did not see that going. When I posted my video, it quickly went up 30% after hours, and in the pre-market it jumped up to 60, 80%. And like I said, at the open, everybody was like sell, and that's it. I think this stock itself has had its ride, so be very careful. There is no dip in my opinion yet. Low can go lower. It's already lower than yesterday, and I only actually see it going lower. I do not see it going high. There is no reason for this stock, for investors, for buyers to come in and push the stock price up. I only see people who got in, have stock to actually sell, which it's the sellers. And once the sellers are the ones making the decision, they're bringing the price down because they have to make it attractive to the buyers for someone else to hold the stock for them, and they're just gonna sell and just take the loss. Unfortunately, right now the stock market just closed. It's 1:05 p.m. I'm trying to make this video for you guys as quick as possible. So if you see Kandi tomorrow on your radar in top movers, top losers, whatever, do not think, oh, maybe it's safe to buy the dip. Again, these EV companies get overhyped, they get overbought, and then they get oversold, and they trap in suckers. The suckers are anyone who purchases at a really high price and is holding the bag all the way down. So be very careful. I did make a video on a better stock that, in my opinion, it's Blink. So go check out that video because Blink has its own niche. All these EV companies, and especially, again, it's not to discredit them or anything, especially the Chinese ones. They're a little tricky. You know, they are trying to compete, but I think it's gonna be very tough. We already have our dominant automakers here in the US, which it's being GM, Ford, Nissan. Well, Nissan, it's been falling. Toyota, Tesla. Tesla is the king of EV right now. So for this stock to get another wave upwards, or to even go back up to almost 20, to even go back up to $15, it's gonna have to have a big announcement. Remember, the reason why it took off was because it had an announcement of an announcement. I've seen that before. I've covered those reactions before on my channel. So if you're not subscribed, you need to be subscribed, so that way you can get the best stock market news. I try to bring it to you as quick as possible, as unbiased as possible. I told you guys my predictions on Kandi. They happened literally so fast. Pre-market, aftermarket, they quickly occurred. They went up super fast and they went down super fast, and I said the trading range was going to be around here going on further. I said in a week or so once it calmed down, but this calmed down real fast. Investors are like, never mind, I don't want this. And so now I see the new trading range is going to start going lower, and I actually even see it between 5 to 7. Actually, I'll be more optimistic, between $5 to $8. That's where I see this stock trading in the future. Where is this going to be in the future? No idea. In the announcement, they already showed us like the price tag of the vehicles, and they do have supposedly some new technologies. How are they going to do in the US, or how are they going to do with sales? That's to be determined. As you guys know, the pandemic is still going on, so everything is being affected, especially auto. So this is a very tough industry to be in. If you're going to be in this stock or any other EV stock for the long run, you're going to have to endure these painful gradual declines and slow steady inclines in the coming forward. I do not see these booms happening anymore for EVs unless the next new hot kid comes into town, which Kandi was that hot kid for one day, and then everybody got a taste, kissed it, licked it, kissed the frog, whatever, and then they're like, ew, you're just like the others, and dropped it. I am doing an EV challenge on my channel. Make sure to watch that video. Be subscribed for the updates. Should I add some Kandi into that challenge? I don't know. I'm spending $100,000 purchasing EVs. So far, the results are not that surprising to me, and I'm pretty sure you're going to want to know what they are. So be subscribed. That video is dropping tomorrow, and maybe I'll add some Kandi so that way we can be tracking it with some money to see what a portfolio would look like with it. Unfortunately, this came and went so fast. Stocks are moving like hotcakes really fast, so you got to be careful. If you invest in the morning, like if you're going to go to work and you invest and you bought this stock at $15 and then you're off your job and the next 8 hours and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm at $10, what the heck? This is scary. This is why I personally stay away. I do not invest in EVs. I tell you guys when I'm investing, so that's why I think you really should be subscribed to my channel, because I try to be unbiased. I let you guys know what my opinions, what I'm seeing in the trends, where I see they'll die and fall off. Literally when the short circuit went down, I'm like, this is gonna start going down, and yes, it certainly did. If you would like to check out the charts with me or see them at your own pace in real time, I really like these charts way better than the Robinhood ones, because once again, on Robinhood you just see the price drop and drop and drop and drop, and don't know what the heck is going on. At least with Webull, you get to see EMAs. It gives you a lot of indicators, the EMAs, the moving averages. It can show you where investor sentiment is going, when it starts to look downwards. If you subscribe to my channel, I will be helping you guys out how to read the candles, how to read the charts, so you can be a more prepared investor, have a more competitive edge in these tricky, watery markets. In the description, I do have an affiliate link for Webull. Get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. Webull is great. It's been really great to me. I really like it. I really enjoy it. Their platform is amazing. I use it all the time, as you guys know, in my videos. So if you have not gotten Webull, I really strongly recommend that you get it. Link in the description once again, and subscribe for those free classes on how to read the charts and use Webull to its full potential. So once again, be subscribed, like the video before you click off, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and let me know if you got any Kandi, or what were your plans. Did you play any options or something? Do they have options? Let me quickly check. Yes, they did. And obviously they went bananas, and oh, they must have been up and down real quick today. So anyone playing puts are probably on the good side if they bought them in the morning. So congratulations to the winners. I'm sorry to the losers, but this is what it is right now. A lot of stocks are gambling, especially the hotcake ones. So that's why I try to bring them to your attention with what the heck is going on. So be subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.